Hello community, I am Gilbert Ibanez again from Mati City, Davao Oriental, Philippines. And my manager is Charlene Ibanez, a 1K manager. I am a guider of Batch 19 and a 100 manager now. I am really blessed that I am part of this wonderful community of people who help each other. This MMM community is the answer of our prayers. Now, this is my 11th gift help amounting 115,800 pesos last November 21, 2015. My gift help was from my MMX extra worth of total amount of 109,700 pesos including the accrued interest, and date started was last October 10, 2015, and my referral bonus of 2,760 pesos. Also from bonus of testimonial video worth 3,340 pesos. Thank you very much to all of my providers for extending their assistance to me. God will help you back also through our helpful and generous community. Thank you very much, especially to our beloved founder, Sir Sergi Mabudi, for his wonderful creation. Thank you, Sir Sergi, for helping us from our financial difficulties. You are our savior from our daily lives. I hope this community will last long. Long live MMM. Together we can change the world.